Hello everyone, this is River Gamble here with another video, Farming USA 2. I hope you guys enjoyed that music that I just played. It's been most of my videos. Hope you guys like the intro. Uh, but yeah, today I'm obviously, last video you guys seen me cut some hay, and today's video, sorry about that, let me move my mic. Today's video, I am going to be just tedding the hay and raking it, so that would be a pretty long video, I'd say. It's already 3 minutes in, so let's hope not. Anyways, let me just hop on inside the truck because we need to go, ted some hay, even though it's raining. But we're gonna forget about that because I need to go get hay. I don't need to, but I want to. Tight turn. Okay, there we go. Bam, bam. Just right over here. Yeah, my last video, I don't know if I already said this, but I did get finished with the hay. Cutting it at least, not mailing it or anything. But today, I'm not going to stack it, I'm just going to get it ready, baled and everything. Now, what in the heck? Why in the heck do I have a cow in the barn? That's so cool. Anyways, don't mind that. Let me hop inside this tractor here. Get ready to go. Grab the tedder. If I can remember what last where I put it. There it is. Okay. Hopefully this won't take as long. There we go. We'll just switch to my, not that. Get on the roof real quick, apparently. I need to buy some more cows one day. This could be some bad backing up. Let me get the right angle here. I don't need the whole thing in there, I just need it, you know, to where the motor's not all the way in the way, if you guys know what I mean. Whoop, killed the rooster. There you go, I just want to look real quick, see how I'm doing on the raking part. Should be doing pretty good, I guess. Hopefully after this I can probably bail it if I have time. I don't know. I don't see it though. I don't see that I have time. I'll pause the video right now though, just to see if I can just wait, or just I'll unpause it when they get close to being done. So I'll get back with you guys later. Okay, right now, I'm probably just gonna let it sit here and let you guys watch them rake. Oh wow, okay guys. I do not know how long that was attended, but I'm back. And I have no idea why I paused it either. So hopefully I didn't leave you guys like this the whole time. Cause that must have sucked if I did. I should probably, I'm not all the way done tedding, but I guess I can rake by myself. Oh my gosh, this is probably gonna be a bad video now because I just let you guys down. I guess I have to do everything by myself now. I don't know why it glitches like that. I'll just do this, I guess. You guys can watch me do it, I guess. I don't know. Right now, I'm just really sorry. There we go. Geez, that's really fast. I guess I can come back through here again. Geez, that one actually went really smooth just now. Huh. I thought it was going to be a lot harder. Jeez Louise. Yeah. Oh, if I cut this out, that last part out, or if you hear me saying sorry, it's because I cut a part out that that was since I left you on accident. I left you unattended for a little bit. I was just sitting there being bored because you're like, where the heck did he go? That just sucks though. I couldn't believe I just did that. Anyways, I'm gonna leave this tedder and this tractor here. Probably right here. Yeah, like right here maybe. I can't do anything yet. I have to finish raking. Oh my goodness, this tractor is awesome. This one right here. It's a little too wide, but hey, it works. Let me figure out where I need to start at. Okay, I guess I think I know where I'm gonna start. Like right here. I should probably start raking on my own. No, and now it's saving. That sucks. Do 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 do. There. So that one. Turn the rake off for a second. Turn the rake back on for a second. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oop, there's that is. Oh, these rows are going to be so terrible. I just want to get it done real quick. That's how you do it. Yeah. Combine 2 rows. Okay. So apparently that's how it's gonna be, I guess. I should probably use the one with the tedder on it. The tractor with the tedder on it. There we go. I think this is it. No, I should probably connect it. Just take it back. I'm going over there anyways. So let me put this tedder up, grab the baler, and I will be back with you guys. Okay guys, I decided to just wash the tractor. Hopefully that isn't too loud. But it should be washed anytime. Okay, it should be good. Okay, so I think I got that one pretty spotless. Just need to get it now. Let's go bale. Oh, gotta refuel. There we go. Let's go put this inside the field. There it is. Oh, that's the reason why it's not billing. Because I'm just going too fast. I'm supposed to be going this speed. There we go. Now with the trumpets, there we go. Sweet guys, we are baling hay. And the trumpets, there we go. Bum, bum, ba-dum. I will get back with you guys once I'm halfway there. Okay guys, I'm about halfway done. I actually have just a quarter left of it, the field left to bale, and I will be done. But if you just want to watch, just stick around. Yeah, enjoy the scenery. Sorry about the waiting earlier. Must have sucked. Hopefully I can make it past this tractor way up here. The one with the rake on it. The dual. I don't know if I can or not, but hopefully. I'll just stay centered. I probably won't make it. I'm gonna have fun making a video by picking the bales up and stacking them again. But this time it'd be a lot faster though, because I had a method. Oops, sorry about that. I'm gonna do some spraying after this. almost done. I think this is the last one after this one. Yeah, but hopefully I can do some spraying. I have this last one right here. Yeah, it's it. You just gotta spray with the bales on the field, because the sprayer can go right over the bales. Okay, I'm just gonna get to spraying now. Or actually I can't. I have to... get the one that's in the field real quick. This is the one with the dual. The dual's on it and the rake. See if I can slide through here real quick. I'll park them later. I don't really care about it right now. But I do need to get this sprayed before the... This is a little bit unrealistic, but hey. Are you kidding me? You can't go over that bale. I don't even really know if it is fertilizing. I mean, it's not, because it's not going down. The percentage isn't going down, so take that as it's not going to spray. But right now then, I am going to end this video right here. Thank you guys for watching Farming USA 2 channel. Yeah, thank you. I think that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going home, and I will see you guys in the next one.